Hello guys, today I want to talk about some other advantages using the Bluetooth speaker. Last video I talked about how to set up this speaker right here with the IX12 and some of the advantages of it. I just found another advantage using this Bluetooth speaker is right here. You can actually add it to your airplane or add it to any other airplane to make sounds. Yes, now this is going to be close, you have to be close to the radio with maybe like 30 feet away. But when you're starting up doing different things, it might just add a little cheap fun to it. You might not be able to hear it in the air, but when it's sitting on the ground, if you want to mess around with it with your friends or just listen to it start up, you can. I'm going to show you a few things what you can do with it. So when it's sitting on the ground, we'll make some different noises. Okay, so we're going to hear it start up. Now there's different ones. There's like a flyby one. There's a startup one and like a bombing raid or something. So I don't have them marked, so I can't remember which ones they go in. Hopefully you can hear this. This one's not very good. Okay, then the second one. Okay, that was the flyby, and the last one I can't remember. So that's what you can do with it. Now my next video, I'm going to show you how to set up audios like this on your new Spektrum IX12. Thanks for watching. Bye.